Hi everyone, today we're gonna be cooking organic orange bread with cranberries. So I'm gonna be using 9 oranges, all of the orange peel and everything in it except the juice and seeds. Yan, i-blend nyo lang siya. And then and then when it's done, you see when it's done, it's all kind of no more lump in there. And your eggs, 7 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. And just beat it. And then half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. And 1 cup of milk. Then I use 3 tablespoons of dry yeast. Yan, haluin mo lang siya. Then 2 cups of milk. One cup of olive oil. Then add your eggs mixture. Yan. Then your orange. You blend it or puree. Super bango. Super bango yung bread na yun. And then 3 cups of organic flour. And 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And 2/3 cups of no calorie sugar cane, and then half tablespoon of salt, then you're gonna add 3 more cups of organic flour and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. You can get that at Costco. And then add your mixture, your dry mixture. Then start mixing it all up. I hope you are enjoying my video. Thank you so much for watching. Then add more flour all together on the last 2 cups of flour. then I'm gonna add 4 cups of dried cranberries. And haluin nyo lang siya. Then you have to get your cups of walnuts. You can put that in the blender too if you want, in the processor. Just do a quick one. You can chop it as well if you want. Yummy. And 1 cup of shredded coconut. That's optional, by the way, if you want it. I just like my coconut. And then cook it for 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, when it's done, poke it when it's done. Then when it's clear, when the pick is clear, then it's done. And then add more oil on top so it doesn't dry out. And there you go. Thank you for watching. And I made 3 regular loaves and 1 big loaf. There. That's good for many occasions. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Have fun baking. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day. Yumminess. It's good with your coffee, or you can have that for breakfast too. Yan. So moist inside. Yummy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Yumminess. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.